Haptic Horizons Art Symposium, organized by Center 3 and Vibra Fusion Lab, supported by the Canada Council for the Arts, Ontario Trillium Foundation, Ontario Arts Council, City of Hamilton and Hamilton Community Foundation. Guests explore the exhibits. David Bobier and interpreter. Ben Akwoko introduces the event. Dave Bosniak presents Live Lab. Audience member with microphone. The Unmagic Lab Workshop. Audience applause. Video exhibit of a spring. A photo montage of the symposium. The audience watches attentively. Marcia Ireland opens day 2. Gift Shuma speaks on disabled creativity. Jim Ruxton and David Bobier speak. Leon Lauder introduces entomophonia. Yvonne Felix speaks. The Beacon Project presentation. Eliza Chandler speaks. The Sensorial Plurality Panel discussion. Laura Lawson speaks. A shared community workshop. Thank you to our funders.